Greetings photography enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, making money from photography by selling stock photos and licensing. If you are passionate about photography and want to turn your hobby into a profitable venture, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore how you can monetize your photography skills and selling stock photos and licensing them to various clients. So let's dive right in. Introduction to stock photography. In this section, we will provide an overview of stock photography and its role in the creative industry. We will explore what stock photos are, how they are used by businesses and individuals, and the potential income opportunities they offer to photographers. You will gain insights into the different types of stock photography and the key players in the stock photo market. Building a strong portfolio. A strong portfolio is essential for success in the stock photography industry. We will discuss how to curate a portfolio that showcases your best work and appeals to potential buyers. From selecting a niche to organizing your images and maintaining consistent quality, we will provide tips to help you create a compelling portfolio that stands out in the crowded market. Understanding copyright and licensing. Copyright and licensing are crucial aspects of selling stock photos. We will explain the basics of copyright law and how it relates to your photography. You will learn about the different types of licenses, including royalty-free and rights managed, and their implications for your earnings and image usage. We will also discuss the importance of model and property releases in commercial photography. Choosing the right stock photography platform. There are numerous stock photography platforms available to sell your photos. In this section, we will explore some of the popular platforms and discuss their features, submission requirements, and earning potential. We will help you understand the pros and cons of each platform, allowing you to make an informed decision when choosing where to showcase and sell your images. Capturing marketable images. To succeed in stock photography market, you need to capture images that have market demand. We will share tips for identifying popular themes, subjects, and styles that are in demand among stock photo buyers. We will learn how to conduct market research, stay updated on industry trends, and create images that have a higher chance of selling. Editing and preparing images for sale. The editing process plays a significant role in the final quality of your stock photos. We will discuss the importance of post-processing and provide editing tips to enhance your images while maintaining their authenticity. We will also cover technical requirements for submitting photos, such as file formats, resolution, and metadata, to ensure your images meet the platform standard. Optimizing keywords and descriptions. Keywords and descriptions are essential for making your photos discoverable by potential buyers. We will guide you through the process of selecting relevant and effective keywords and crafting compelling descriptions that accurately represent your images. You will learn how to optimize your metadata to increase visibility and improve the chances of your photos being licensed. Marketing and promoting your stock photos. In this section, we will discuss strategies for marketing and promoting your stock photos to maximize exposure and sales. From utilizing social media platforms and online communities to engaging with potential clients and building relationships, we will explore various methods to expand your reach and attract buyers to your portfolio. Congratulations, you now have a solid understanding of how to make money from photography by selling stock photos and licensing them. Remember to build a strong portfolio, understanding copyright and licensing, choose the right platforms, capture marketable images, edit and prepare your photos effectively, optimize keywords and descriptions, and market your work strategically. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other photography enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, good luck.